What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Moss. Thanks for tuning back in. I'm recording with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the new one with the lime green, of course. Check out the quality, man. This is amazing. This is nighttime right now. I apologize, guys. I haven't uploaded a video on the 2.0 yet, but I was very busy helping out my community, helping out the friends, busy with the family and stuff like that. But yep, that's about it. I know it's stock height right now. Got the wheels on, of course. That was a previous model you have seen. I've done a few things on the interior and also to the suspension, so I'm about to show you guys real quick. And of course the front lip is on. I'm going to have an installation video on that for you guys to make sure you guys do a solid installation for yours so it doesn't come off or anything like that. And yeah, so that's that. Pearl white. I got the paint correction on there so you can see that beautiful, look at that, beautiful pearls popping out in there. Let me get a focus on there. Check it out. Paint correction is done and I did ceramic coating. Yep, that's about it, guys. And then you guys could do ceramic coating yourself. Honestly, it doesn't cost too much. Go to a shop, they're gonna charge you like 1,000 or over, maybe it's 800, and you don't even know what the product's gonna look like exactly. But I got paint correction. My buddy helped me out on that, and ceramic coating as well. It's not that hard, but yeah, so that's that. And just want to tell you guys right now, I know you guys were telling me to lower it and lower it and lower it, so here we go. I'm definitely going to make another video during the day for you guys and an update. So this is a very short video. I want to make a video when there's daylight out. So check out the interior. Change my design for the ambient lights. Check it out. Going from the bottom, to top, going all the way down. See that? That's my design now. Footwell lights, of course. I got the doors done as well. Same thing with the rear. And you guys need the products, of course. The links are in the description below. Discount code is going to be in the description as well. Check out, I did my starlights as well. Did it with my friend real quick a couple of days ago. Yeah, so that's done. You could change the colors, of course, through the app and everything like that. The twinkle, that's effective, but I put it on solid right now. And yeah, so that's my new design right there, new style for the ambient lights. Other than that, you got the R7 unit R7 right there. Doing really good on that. And this is my dash cam, of course, for the front and the back, recording both. I like that. See that front and back, just swipe and you got it. It's the back side. That's the front, sorry. That's the back side. And you can just the camera from this side, just kind of tap, hold, and then moves the camera. Brightness from this side, as you could see. That's that. And then yeah, so that's my airlift 3P right there. Make sure you guys hit up Boosted Whips _official on IG, and also his email. I'll put that in the description below for suspension, wheels, springs, you name it. So this is my I'm about to put my this is how I drive pretty much. It's a little bit lower than this actually. I just changed it kind of test out different presets, you know. I was driving a little bit lower than this before, like another inch drop before, but I just want to test out the comfort of it and see where's the comfort sweet spot is, because after doing install you want to get that sweet spot, especially on the airlift 3P. Let me get this down now to where is it? This is like, now it's down to my pretty much photo shoot. This is how I used to drive, a little bit up from there. How I used to drive, like half an inch up. I used to drive like that, so it looks pretty cool, right? So that's that. And then the R1 Concept, of course. And since I have the R1 Concept rotors in the pads as well, they do make a little bit of sound. You get used to it, but the sound goes away after some time, maybe after like 1,000 miles. It kind of declines, the sound kind of fades away. But I heard that their pads are more abrasive, I guess, is different. And then someone had changed their pads to OEM ones and the sound was completely gone. So I think once those pads wear out, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the pads to the OEM ones instead of the R1 Concept ones. But the rotors look sick. The braking is great. I'll make a different review on that for you guys. But yeah, car's looking sexy right now. And comment below what you guys think. And then let's completely air it out and see what it looks like. That's why I actually want to make a different video. There you go. Now it's completely aired out. Look at this. That's crazy. And if you guys want the airbags, I might be giving them to anybody for a lower price, of course. I might be giving them up because the newborn baby, of course, needs some more space. That's the only reason. Only used for a few months, so I think 6-7 months now. So they were used for 6-7 months, and yeah. So if you're interested in airbag system, let me know. DM me at Redline Mods Official. Give you guys a great price, so you know I take care of everybody. So that's that. She's sitting pretty low now, looking good. And I'll make another video of the airbags in the daytime for you guys, so you guys could see, you know, go up and down, all that kind of good stuff, and looks really aggressive. And again, tail lights right there. DM Boosted Whips, get the discount code from him, or DM me. I'll help you out on the link, guide you on the right way. And he took care of me on that one too. And that's that. And then more mods are coming soon as well. Gonna be working on this baby soon, this week for sure. So that's that. I'm gonna be doing a meet as well, hosting a meet in New York. And you guys just DM me on my Instagram. I'll put that in the description below. So if you guys want to pop up and meet me, I guess, for my new subscribers, because I have over 100, of course, pull up last time. So let's make it like 150 this time. That'll be epic. And that's it for the video. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. And peace out until next time, all right? I'll definitely make another video during the day so you guys can see the whole paint correction and the ceramic coating and the bags while I air out and stuff like that. And again, if you're interested for them, DM me, please. And that's it. Peace out.